Hello everyone, this is Joy and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and the market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, with the import government meeting uncovered, China's steel market saw a shift in tone from optimism to caution, and the prices fell a bit after going up dramatically. Let's break it down. For starters, hot-rolled coil futures hit the highest level in over 8 months on July the 29th, but that rally did not last. Prices quickly dropped to below 3,400 RMB per ton. So, what triggered this slide? On one hand, the government meeting on July the 30th fell short of market expectations. Policymakers did not announce new stimulus measures. The approach to solving oversupply and limiting involution was also less aggressive than before. Market players interpreted this as a negative signal for the steel market. On top of that, external factors added to the pressure. US-China trade talks failed to make much progress, and the attitude of the Fed pushed the dollar higher. That added more pressure on global commodity markets, including steel. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's appearance steel demand went down by 160,000 tons, while total inventory went up by 150,000 tons, breaking 4 weeks of decline and hitting the highest level in 7 weeks. Production went up slightly as well. By product, rebar stood out with the biggest drop in demand and the largest inventory buildup. Meanwhile, hot-rolled coil held up a bit better, with increases in production inventory and demand. So where do we go from here? As the market moves past recent macro speculation, attention is shifting back to supply-demand balance. And looking ahead to August, there are a couple of things to watch. Production cuts are expected to pick up in northern China, and the seasonal demand is starting to come back. That combination improves the supply-demand balance and helps stabilize prices. While the short-term pullback might continue a bit longer, we are unlikely to see prices falling back to the lows of May or June, and there's still potential for a rebound. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye!